Is it a time-consuming task to create the content for your product using a prompt template? Are you not able to provide accurate content in various languages? Now say goodbye to all this. Hi everyone, I am Nishtha. Welcome to this video on how to create a prompt template in Magento 2 using ChatGPT. Before we dive into the details, let's understand why we need a prompt template. The prompt template basically configures the type and the format of the content to be generated for your product. The prompt template can also be used to create the content in a specific language as required. Now let's get started. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. Now here we are on the admin backend panel, and with the help of username and password, we're going to sign in. We'll enter the username and the password, click on sign in. It will redirect towards the dashboard. So first of all, we're going to create a prompt template. On the left hand side, there is the option of ChatGPT. Click on this, then go to prompt templates. Here you can see the list of prompt templates are visible, as we have already created few templates earlier, but when you will going to open this page, it will going to be empty and you have to create a new template. So we'll click on this add new prompt template. We have to give a template title. So I will going to show you this prompt template in two different languages. So first we're going to check the English language. We'll write the English template here, choose the category, choose the subcategory, select the template. Now here the language is chosen as English. So according to this language only, the prompt template will going to generate the content. So we're going to save this template. The template has been saved and it is listed here in the list of the prompt templates. If in case you want to edit the existing one, so you can just click on this edit option and can do the required changes in the existing one and can save this template. Now on the left hand side, there is the option of store. From here, we're going to choose the prompt template which we have created right now. So we're going to click on this configuration option, and by scrolling down, we can see the option of enable prompt template. So it is enabled from here. If in case you want to disable it, so you can just click on this no option, and from here you have to select the prompt templates in which form you want to generate the content. So we're going to select the store view first. Like from here, I'm selecting this store view. Scrolling down, I will choose the product description prompt template as English template, and we're going to save this configuration. Once you save this configuration, now we'll click on this catalog option to create the description for the product. Click on products. Here the list of products are there, so we're going to choose any of the product. Click on edit option and choose the same store view which you have chosen while you have set up the prompt template. So we'll choose the same store view. Scrolling down, there is the option of content, and here you have to click on this fill description with ChatGPT. So we'll click on fill description with ChatGPT. Here you can see the ChatGPT has generated the content and within the format which we have chosen. So we'll click on this save option, and now we're going to view this particular product on the customer end, that how it will going to reflect to the customer. So we'll select the product name and we'll click on admin, then go to customer view. Here we're going to paste the name of the product and click on enter. We'll open the product. See, the content has been generated and within the proper formatting and the language which we have chosen in the prompt template. So now let me show you how you can do the same in a different language. So again, we'll go to prompt templates and create a new prompt template for the same. For example, we're going to create the template or content in French. Choose the category again. Choose the subcategory. Then select the templates. And from here you have to choose the language, in which language you want the prompt template to generate the content. So we're going to choose the French language and click on Save Template. The template is successfully saved. So we'll move back to the initial settings where we're going to choose the store view first, and then by scrolling down we're going to set up the prompt template which we have created right now. So we'll choose this one and click on Save Configuration. Now we'll create the product, the description for the product. We'll choose the same product, click on Edit, choose the store view, scrolling down, open the content option and we'll remove this content. Now we'll again going to click on this fill description with ChatGPT. As you can see how quickly the ChatGPT has generated the content within the proper formatting and in the language which we have selected while creating the prompt template. So we're going to save this again and we'll see it as a customer how it will going to reflect. So we'll choose the admin and click on customer view. So if in case the customer wants the product description in French language, they can choose the store view from here and can search for the product. Open the product and here you can see the description is in proper formatting and within the language which we have chosen. That's it. You have successfully created a prompt template in Magento 2 using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, do press the like button and share your views in the comment section below. Have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. See you all in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.